You love this thing. Bravo.
We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run free. Living in room. This is just the start of the road, just the tip of your toe. A day in amazement, all this knowing that I was lost.
For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash. He did the monster mash.
Won't you take me